Hi, I'm Dr. Deepa Shetty here and I'm a health coach. Yesterday we saw how different types of hormones are produced in your gut, and that is why gut health is an important part of your overall well-being. So your depression, your mood swings, your anxiety all can happen if your gut health is not in its optimum condition. So equilibrium of different kinds of bacteria in your stomach is important. As much as we always know bacteria is something which is going to harm us, but there are some very good bacteria in your gut which help to break down different types of carbs and help the body to get the nutrition from this food. So food that you eat needs to be converted into glucose, into protein, into different types of vitamins which the cells can absorb, and the nutrition to the cell can happen when these bacteria in your stomach are going to break this food down and give this nutrition to your cells. So those kind of bacteria are very important to us. So these are called good bacteria, good microbe, and they are very much important for our overall well-being. Even different types of diseases like PCOD, obesity. Even many times I get my patients who say that I don't eat much but I still put on fats. Now that's because whatever you eat is not converted into nutritional product, but they are converted into fats and toxins, and that can happen because your gut is not okay. So the gut is an important part. The stomach is something which you need to understand what to eat, what not to eat, how to eat, and when to eat. All these factors are very, very important to keep your stomach healthy. So the first and foremost thing for you to avoid any kind of diseases, any kind of cancers or autoimmune disorder, or for that matter, strengthen your immunity, it's important that you concentrate on your gut health. So, how do you do that? The gut health can be completely understood and done by a usual traditional things which people used to do by eating a balanced food, and at the end of the food you will see many people eating curd rice or a chas or something, because this yogurt which we are eating are fermented with good bacteria called lactobacillus, which is very good for your gut health. So these are probiotics, these are good bacteria. These can help. These are the ones which are going to help you get the nutrition out of your food. So that's the reason which is why in our olden times curd was very important. So yogurt should be must in your diet. And apart from that, every kind of food which will help this bacteria to grow in large numbers so that they can help you keep those bad bacteria away from your system will help. So what are those foods? Those foods are nothing more than your fruits and vegetables and your salads or the vegetables which you eat. These are something which will help this bacteria to remain in a large number. What are the things which can destroy this bacteria are the sugars and the processed and the junk foods which can destroy this bacteria, and that may lead you not having a great stomach which will help to digest everything that you eat. So we hear all of these. We hear about balanced diet. We hear about not eating junk food. We hear about lifestyle changes, but we are not able to do that. Why so? Because body is asking too much of sugary and junky stuff, and that can happen when you are in lack of nutrition. That can happen when you are in low mood and you want to feel good, and all this is happening. Why? Because your gut is not able to digest the good food and not able to break down them into the nutritional food. Also they are not able to produce those hormones which are going to make you feel good. Okay, so everything starts from your stomach. So whatever you feel, first and foremost thing you should do is eat those balanced food, full of fruits, full of salads, full of low carb foods, and something those will give you vitamins like the fruits and veggies which will give those vitamins to you and keep your gut good. remove those toxin by drinking detox waters. There are a number of detox waters which is important to be drunk. Or a simple banana can help you create environment for a good bacteria to grow. So remember that keeping your stomach healthy is an important part of keeping your overall well-being. And then see how active your life can be and how it makes you feel very, very, very lively and happy. I hope all of us want to do that. There are series of things in that which we can do. I just give you a simple formula of keeping optimum number of 50% of your food should have those fruits and veggies. So the fruits can be standalone in terms of eating them only as a fruit, and then later on in your lunch you can have those salads first and then the food in the main dish. So the carbs can be less, the rice can be there, the vegetables can be more, the dal can be more, because all of this are going to build your body. So you should eat something which is going to build you and not something which is going to destroy you. Saying so, hope this video has added some value to your life. And thank you for listening to me. Do leave comment in the comment section. See you all again. Thanks a lot.